Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the swimsuit outfit hack on Dress to Impress. So you will need to go to the dressing rooms first to put on the Sabrina Carpenter. Hold on. Actually, let me just add this first. Put this on. And then I am going to select the second toggle. Then I'll do matte on the suit. And then you can either choose a color or a pattern. It's totally up to you what you want to use. I will use this color. I'm also just going to take this off, but you can still add it to your outfit and have the second color your skin color, or if you want the lace, you can color it to whatever color you want. I might make it like a two-piece red bathing suit. So for the non-VIP version, I actually like this version a bit more. Add this granny dress and select the top toggle, and on the first color, you're going to color it your skin color, and on the second one, you're going to color it the bathing suit option. Now, as you can see, you'll still see a little bit like peeking through. But you can kind of like layer on more stuff to it to kind of like hide the fact that it's like there, as you can see. You can also use, I think this is what other people used as well. Like the first color is like your skin color, and then the second should be just like the red top here, as you can see. For the VIP version, let me just add this on because it looks cute. You can layer this outfit on, which is the kind of like vest, and then you're just going to color your skin color, but you do have to kind of like cover this up with like items, maybe like this one. Just use that to cover it up. You are going to like layer anyways, so might as well like add more stuff to the like outfits and just like find ones that match it. So I'm just going to go around here to find more items, if I can just do that. Let me just add some like glasses here. I'm not a big fan of that. Let's just do this one. Maybe I'll add this, just like the ribbon though. I don't know, it's totally up to you like how you want to customize it. Maybe you can also add this. Just keep layering, to be honest. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.